Hey, what's up guys, CoolBro21 here, and today we're back in NASCAR Heat 2. So today we are going to be doing some NASCAR Camping World Truck Series racing at Daytona International Speedway. So anyways, before we get into the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment on any ideas you guys have for future videos, or should I keep continuing this series or not. So anyways, let's get right into the video. Alright, so we're going to select quick race here. We're going to do the Camping World Truck Series. Now all we got to do is select the driver races. So I'm just going to scroll through all the drivers so you guys can see which ones we got to select from. So we got in the Camping World Truck Series, we got 32 different drivers. While in the Xfinity and Cup Series, we have 40 different drivers to choose from. Right, so here we are. We scrolled through all of them. So we got Noah Gragson, Justin Haley, Austin, all these guys here. Who should we race as? This is the question of the day, I guess. Well, question of the video, actually. Let's see who we got. Matt Snyder, nah. Oh, we have some nice paint jobs, though. Let's see, we got Ryan Truex. Also nice paint jobs, but not today. I'm thinking Christopher Bell. So we got JBL and Sirius XM as his two paint jobs. We got Chase Briscoe, Brandon Brown, Harrison Burton, Chase Caber, Ben Shea. I don't know how to pronounce Wendell Shea. I don't know how you pronounce his last name. I'm sorry. So we got Cody Coughlin. We got Matt Kraft, and this is our custom truck. We're not gonna be racing it today. We got Haley Deegan from NASCAR Next. We got Grant Enfinger from Thor Motorsports. He has a few different paint jobs there. We got Todd Gilliland, who races a Pedigree pickup truck. I'm thinking about going with Christopher Bell, maybe. Here's Burn, all these guys. Well, we just passed them, and yeah, we're just gonna select Christopher Bell, and we're gonna go to Daytona International Speedway. Now we're gonna change our settings, because for the last to first we did auto hard, so we're gonna put full maximum difficulty on custom 105, and we're gonna do 25% of the race. Actually, no, wait. I forgot I made 25%. There we go. And let's just get started with the race. Actually, wait, I'm thinking about should we race somewhere else? Nah, we're just gonna pick Daytona, I guess. Chicagoland, nah. Let's race Daytona for now. Alright, so here we are, Daytona International Speedway in Daytona Beach, Florida. So here's our truck. We're racing as Christopher Bell. Now let's do a practice session and see how hard this is. So looks like we got two cars going out. It's Regan Smith and I think that's Chase Briscoe or Austin Cindric. Oh yeah, it's Chase Briscoe because he races the 29. Austin Cindric drives the 19 truck. So here we are, turns 1 and 2 at Daytona. So far it seems kinda hard. I don't know how it's gonna be during the race. So far it seems a bit hard. Let's just see how it goes. So here we are on the back straight. This is the chase view of our truck. We got the JBL.com truck. This is the cockpit. Looks like we're getting passed by two cars. So far, I think this is going to be pretty hard. So at least that'll make it pretty challenging. So from here, I'll do one lap around Daytona in first person mode. So here we are heading into turns 1 and 2 at Daytona. So we're going to try to stay down low or in the middle. And here we are on the back straight as we exit turn 2. I think we might as well just stay on the high side, like near the wall, on the straightaways. And here we go on to turns 3 and 4. Oh, oops, I'm just waiting to see if it's recording or not. And yeah, looks like it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. I don't know why it paused for so long. So here we are, exiting turn 4. And from here we'll finish this lap, and looks like we'll just get into the race. So we're just gonna start last again, I guess, even though this is not a last to first round, it's just a regular NASCAR race. So our fastest time was 50 seconds, 50.8 something. I didn't really see that. So like I said, we're gonna skip qualifying and just get right into the race. So get ready, and green flag, green flag. Alright. So it looks like we're next to the 4 of Chase Caber Carver. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. So we stage 1 has 4 laps. Looks like we're just gonna push him off the side a little bit. Already making some contact at just the start of the race. So our goal is to race cleanly here and try to win the race. So here we are in turns 1 and 2. So this is actually pretty hard so far. Unlike the last to first at Bristol, where we just did auto hard. I didn't really find it that hard, but I guess it was kind of hard because I mean the cars were behind us most of the time, and we were getting passed a lot. Otherwise, other than that, it was pretty easy, I felt like. So far this has been pretty hard. So it looks like we got draft behind. Most of the cars got draft behind the car in front of us. So far we're at P30. We're gonna give Harrison Burton a little push. Or that didn't really work. We just lost a spot to LED again. Now I think we gotta stay low, or we gotta block the guys behind us. So it looks like we're gaining speed so far, and we're gonna get behind them. All we gotta do is a little slingshot movement past these two. And are we gonna do it? Looks like we are. Now what we gotta do is pass Todd Peck. It looks like we made some contact with 51 Harrison Burton. So now we're 28th. We gotta pass Todd Peck in the car right up front of us. Well, looks like he blocked us. Let's see how much damage we got. Not bad. So here, just put up the leaderboard. Then we got Todd Peck and Haley Deegan right up front here. So all we gotta do is try to pass them here on the back straight by drafting behind them, doing some of the slingshot moves. Now we'll be on Brandon Brown, Ross Chastain, and all the other guys up ahead. Oh, looks like Haley Deegan just took our spot away again. So looks like we might be battling out with Haley Deegan for a while. Just like how the last of first round we were battling it out with Brad Keselowski and Chase Elliott. So final lap of stage 1. Let's see what position we can end this thing in. So we're gonna pass Haley Deegan again. Now all we gotta do is pass Brandon Brown. And there's Travis Quapple up ahead, right ahead of Brandon Brown. So we're gonna do a slingshot move again. And now we got drop in Travis Quapple. Looks like we bumped into him, made some contact. And he's pulling 1 second ahead of us. And we got Joe Nemechek up ahead. And looks like we're gonna finish stage 1 in 25th position. And is it? Yep, 25th. So as we were coming, I was trying to go in between them and probably make it 3 wide. So at least 25th, not bad. So we are not gonna pit, and let's just get on with the race. Alright, stage 2. Get ready. Now so here starts stage 2. So far, it seems like a good restart so far. So we're gonna pass 2, 3, maybe even 4 guys that are not drivers are gonna pass. And yeah, it's been a good restart. Now we're behind Tommy Joe Martins, and we got Corbin Forrester right next to him. So we're gonna push Tommy Joe Martins up ahead. Try to do the same to JJ Yeley, or at least give these guys a push. Make all of them go quicker. Now we're gonna pass TJ Bell, Wendell Sheamus, I don't know how to pronounce his name again. Looks like we got Justin Haley over here. So we got Todd Gillen right up there. Somewhere by, I don't know what that is. Well, I think that's Mike Snyder up ahead. But the one up ahead, no, it's John Nemechek. Alright, looks like now all we gotta do is pass John Nemechek. So we gotta try to give him a little push around the turn, and we just made some contact with the side, and we lost some speed there. So all we gotta do is make sure not to do that, otherwise we may even lose a few positions other than speed. So we're gaining speed, 191, 192 miles an hour. But I think that's our top speed on the back straight so far. I haven't really been paying attention to speed until now, because here we are, it's in turn 4. We got JJ Yeley right behind us. Now we got 2 laps for stage 2. So it looks like we're gonna pass John Nemechek. All we gotta do is pass Brandon Finger and Todd Gillen. It looks like John Nemechek took his spot away from us. And here we are on the back straight trying to gain some speed. Alright, come on, gotta get 190 miles an hour. And we enter turns 3 and 4 around 189 miles an hour. So we gotta pass John Nemechek. It's like a battle between us right now, and also Todd Gillen. He's fighting for his spot. John Nemechek's trying to block us and fight for another spot. And we're trying to block JJ Yeley, who's right behind us. Alright, we gotta try giving John Nemechek a little push. And then there, he passed Todd Gillen while we were on the turns. And now we gotta gain speed, pass him, and try drafting behind Brandon Finger there. So we caught the draft, we're gonna pass John Nemechek. And we're gonna be behind Stuart Friesen in the 52. And so far, it looks like we're going to finish the stage in 13th. And it's the end of the stage. Stage 2, 13th. So we've been from 25th to 13th. Not bad. So, as usual, we are not going to pit again. And let's just get on with the race. Alright, from here on out, we're just gonna be battling for the win of the race. So get ready, and green flag, green flag. So here we are, third and final stage. So it looks like another good restart so far. We have Brandon Finger a little push there. We're gonna try to do a slingshot move around him. And looks like it's gonna work. Thanks to Noah Gregson for moving down there. Then we could get the draft behind him. Looks like it might be 3 wide up here eventually. I think it was before. All I just didn't know is that we bumped into the side again, and we lost a lot of speed. So look how far everyone else is. Like Ryan Truex is like 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 seconds ahead of us, 0.8. Oh my gosh. Now we got chase after Grant Enfinger. And now we got some Friesen next to us. Trying to take our spot. This is intense. So I feel like this hard is actually pretty hard. So I think I'm gonna do most of my races on this level of hard, like completely full, maximum level. Looks like we caught up with Grant Enfinger. We're gonna try to pass him. As we exit turn 2, or maybe also on the back straight. It looks like we're catching up to the cars up ahead. So Ryan Truex is now 0.6 seconds ahead of us as we're drafting behind Grant Enfinger. Now we gotta keep on drafting in turns 3 and 4. It looks like we lost a few seconds. Now he's 0.3 seconds ahead of us. And we got Todd Gillen 0.1 second behind us. So he's pretty close actually. Now we gotta block his way. So he slowed down a little bit. We got 11 laps to go in this race. So far we haven't gained any spots. I don't know if anyone up ahead has. Actually, Ryan Truex has, because we got Austin Cindric now. Alright, now we got Todd Gillen still trying to catch up, but we're gonna block his way. And it looks like he's gonna try to pass again, but too bad, we're gonna block his way. Oh no, Wendell Sheamus passed us. And now Stuart Friesen is passing us. We got the 88 of Matt Crafton passing us. Oh no, we made contact. Oh no, it's intense. And the caution comes out. So the good thing about it is at least we'll get to gain some spots again. So we're not going to pin it. Whew. So let me just make sure it's recording. Yeah, it is. So yeah, we'll get on with the race. So in this restart, we're going to start 14th with Todd Gillen ahead of us and Stuart Friesen and Wendell Sheamus. So here we go. Green flag, green flag. So far, going to restart again. We pushed Todd Gillen to the side a little bit. Now we're past to Stuart Friesen. I'm going to pass Grant Enfinger and Wendell Sheamus. We're going to give Sheamus a little bump there. Try to push everyone else up ahead. Go fit quicker. Now we got to pass Austin Cindric. Checking on our stats on the car and tires and all. Looks like we're good. Now all we gotta do is pass Austin. Well, we passed Austin Cindric right now, and all we gotta do is pass Austin Wade himself. So we passed one Austin. We got past the second Austin of this race. Well, looks like we made some contact there with Austin Cindric. I'm gonna give Wendell Sheamus a little bump. But we got 6 laps remaining in this race. Let's see what happens. So, looks like we're making more contact as we exit turns 1 and 2. Well, we're in between them. Now we exit them. Got draft being Wendell Sheamus. We got Austin Wade himself right next to us. Looks like he passed us as well. Sheamus right in front of us. We got from here. We got Noah Gragson up ahead. Ben Rhodes. I think we even got Matt Crafton. No, I don't think we have Matt Crafton. That's all we did for a sec. Looks like Austin Wayne Self passed us again. Now he was about to block us, but it was too late. So 5 laps remaining in this race. What's gonna happen? So here we are back in, and we got Jennifer Joe Cobb also around here. And we just made some contact with Ben Rhodes. We might have pushed him up a little bit, but we lost the spot. And somehow managed to get quicker than us. And now he's gonna come up in front of us and try to block us. So we're gonna try making the slingshot move, but I think it's too late, or not. So we can pass. Looks like we're gonna pass Ben Rhodes, and all we gotta do is or not. I thought we passed him. Well, at least we both passed Jennifer Joe Cobb. and Rhodes is gonna come back up in front of us again. And I also blocked Jim for Joe Cobb back there. So we're gonna go on the high side, pass him, try to draft me and Regan Smith. So a caution came out, and that's when it stopped recording as well. So I just started recording it. And here we are. It's basically over NASCAR overtime. We got 2 laps remaining in this race. So it looks like we're 6th. We're right behind Ben Rhodes. And it looks like Regan Smith is going to try passing us again. And Rhodes made some contact with us. It's 3 wide currently, and now no longer. Now we're going to try to give John and Nemechek a little push. And oh my god, we're going to make contact with Ben Rhodes. Oh no! Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. And we caused a big wreck back there, and caution is out. We're going to restart 17th. 2 laps remaining. We are not gonna pit as usual. Alright, NASCAR overtime again. We're gonna start 7th. And we got Ben Rhodes and Austin Cindric right in front of us. So green flag, green flag. Let's see what we can do in 2 laps. So we're shifting to 3rd. Stay behind Chase Briscoe, push him up a little bit. Now we're gonna get in the top 5, top 4. Shift up to 4th gear. Push John or Nemechek a little bit. And we got Noah Gragson up there. We got Wendell Shayos here past him. Now 3rd position. Only 2 laps to go. What could happen? So we're currently drafting behind Noah Gragson. We're 2nd position right now. We're gonna try to pass him. And John or Nemechek passes us again. So it's like a battle for 2nd place with me and John or Nemechek. So here we are around turns 3 and 4. Looks like John or Nemechek passes us because we lost some speed there. We gotta block the guys behind us, Regan Smith and Wendell Shayos. Looks like Wendell Shayos is gonna try passing us. But looks like we're at the final turn, the final lap. But what's gonna happen? So looks like we're gonna pass John or Nemechek again. No, we got his. Oh no, we made more contact with him. That was dumb. So looks like we're gonna be behind him again. Here we are exiting turn 2 on the back straight. Looks like it's gonna be a battle for the lead between Noah Gragson and John or Nemechek. So looks like John or Nemechek takes the lead, and Noah Gragson is gonna be 2nd. So who is gonna win? John or Nemechek or Noah Gragson, or us? Who knows? So looks like we may finish in 2nd. Yeah, I think it's gonna be 3rd. We just made contact. We got blocked. Chase Briscoe is behind us and Regan Smith. So here we are heading to the front straight. It looks like John or Nemechek is gonna win this race. No Gragson 2nd, and we make it home 3rd. So top 3 finish is good. We did pretty good in this race. It was pretty fun as well. So new speed rating 105, new record 33 laps. That's pretty good. How many speed points? We got 751,950 speed points. So let's see. Fastest lap was us, 48.957. Most laps led Noah Gragson, 9 laps. And on the move, us, 32nd started, finished in 3rd. Late, tough break. Matt Craven started 3rd, finished 27th. So here are the finishing results. Once again, John or Nemechek won this race, and we have JJ Yaley coming in last. So anyways, this is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment on any future ideas for any videos. And also comment, should I continue the series or not. So anyways, thank you so much for watching.